everyone, welcome. Allison here. Today we are going to be making some soft sugar cookies. Alright, so what we're going to need is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. That is it. So let's get baking. Okay, so once you've got them all cut out, you can put them back in the fridge for another 15 to 20 minutes. While that is happening, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you will bake them for 8 to 12 minutes. Start checking them around 8. Everyone's oven is different, so there you go. Alright, we'll see you when they're done. Okay, so Mine took about 15 minutes this time. This one, a little overdone. I mean, it's still good. It's not burnt, but I'm not going to see that anyhow because it's going to get covered. But I got a total of 22. Ooh, just pulled this one out of the oven. 22 cookies. So, yeah, there we go. Soft sugar cookies. Now, in order to store them, you want to put them in an airtight container until you're ready to eat them or decorate them. The decorating will be next Monday, so keep an eye out for that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment below on what you thought of this video and if you liked it. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.